Hey there, if you're using the Safari browser on your iPhone and the font just looks small and it doesn't quite fit the page correctly, don't worry, here's what you do. All we need to do is go to the bottom and just press this options button here. Then go to the three dots. And just here we have request mobile website. Press that. And as you can see, the page has reformed in its correct manner. You can scroll up and down and the page is as you'd expect. So I hope that's been helpful. If it has, please leave a comment. Thanks very much for watching and I wish you a good day ahead.